This is your 1-minute coder news from the voice of custom coding. How do you inspire more women to pursue a manufacturing career? Nancy Westcott, president of Goat Throat Pumps, a company that provides drum pumps for chemical transfer, shares a few tips. Don't limit opportunities for young girls by setting expectations on the types of activities she should be interested in. Give examples of women in all positions, including leadership roles. Mentor young women and cross-train them so the company can grow faster. Foster a collaborative workspace so employees want to give their best back. Ignore the naysayers. Be curious. Don't be afraid to ask questions. You can read all 6 points of this article at PF Online. And that's been your 1-minute coder news. See you next time.